Dear students, in morning class we have discussed the ABCD parameters. Those are also referred as generalized constants or generalized parameters of a transmission line. After knowing the generalized parameters, how these parameters are utilized in calculation of performance analysis of all three different types of the lines. It may be short transmission line, medium transmission line. In medium transmission line, again T method and phi method. These transmission line parameters are we have to see. So consider as shown in figure, it represents a two-port network. It has input 2 parameters and output 2 parameters. In general, V1 and I1 be the voltage and current are taken as input side. In the same manner, V2 and I2 are output respective voltage and current as shown in figure. So this two-port network has 4 terminals and 4 parameters. In the same manner, we can utilize the transmission line system can be assumed as a 4-terminal network with 2 input terminals, whereas the input power enters into the network sending end, and 2 output terminals where the power leaves from the network, that should be treated as receiving end point. Let Vs be the sending end voltage and Is be the sending end current, Vr be the receiving end voltage and Ir be the receiving end current. The sending end voltage and sending end current can be expressed in terms of receiving end voltage and receiving end current through a set of parameters are known as ABCD parameters, or these are also referred as transmission line parameters. The network between the transmission line should be a linear, passive and bilateral network. The parameters ABCD are generally complex numbers or constants. These are known as generalized circuit constants. This method, which is used for analysis of transmission line, has the influence on these constants. With the knowledge of these constants, performance calculations of lines can be easily obtained. That means we have to take standard expressions, that is Vs equal to A Vr plus B Ir. Similarly, Is equal to C Vr plus D Ir. These are standard expressions, that is sending end voltage and sending end current are expressed in terms of ABCD parameters with Vr and Ir. So here you can see that the important parameters already we defined A, B, C, D. These are generalized circuit constants. That means we are expressing Vs in terms of Vr and Ir. Similarly, we are expressing Is, sending end current, in terms of circuit parameters as well as Vr and Ir. So these are A and D. A and D are not having any dimensions. These generalized constants A and D dimensionless. Similarly, B and C are having some dimensions of ohms and mho respectively. If the given network is symmetrical, or in symmetrical bilateral network, we are having the relation A equal to D. If the network is reciprocal, then we are getting the relation AD minus BC equal to 1. So then we shall put the effort to find out ABCD parameters of different transmission lines. First, we have to discuss about short transmission line. Already we are knowing the capacitance effect is very much low and it can be neglected in case of transmission line. And see there, given three-phase transmission line can be represented equivalent of single phase AC circuit. Let Vs be the sending end voltage per phase, Is be the sending end current, R is the resistance of line for phase, XL be the inductive reactance of the line for phase, Vr is the receiving end voltage per phase, IR is the receiving end current. These things already we have known. So here there is absence of capacitance effect. Then we shall write equation number 1. Both currents are equal, that is sending end current equal to receiving end current. Develop the equation 1. Then second one, R is given, XL is given, then it is possible to calculate impedance of transmission line. Therefore, directly we can write sending end voltage equal to receiving end voltage plus drop via IR into Z. It gives Vs, equation 2. Now the standard equations of transmission line with ABCD parameters. So Vs, sending end voltage Vs equal to A times Vr plus B times IR, that is equation 3. Is, sending end current equal to C times of Vr plus D times of IR. You always remember equation 3 and 4 are standard. Then comparing these equations with the short transmission line. Comparing these expressions, first you take Vs equal to A Vr plus B IR, equation 3 and equation 2. What is the Vr term? Vr equal to 1, A equal to 1, B equal to IR is multiplied by Z, therefore B equal to Z. In a similar fashion, take the current expression Is equal to CVR plus DIR, equation number 4 with equation number 1. CVR term is absent in equation 1, therefore C equal to 0. DIR compare with IR, hence D equal to 1. In this manner we have to construct ABCD parameters values. So comparing the equations 1 and 2 with 3 and 4, it is possible to write A equal to 1, B equal to Z, C equal to 0, D equal to 1. Then in case of short transmission line, A and D both are equal. Now you see there, A equal to 1, hence D equal to 1. We shall verify the result, A equal to D, hence the given network is symmetrical. And you verify the condition of AD minus BC equal to 1, that also substitute the values and it is also satisfied. Hence the given network is reciprocal also. Then very important, we have to consider in medium transmission lines, the VTU questions may be asked in nominal T method or nominal pi method. Already we have discussed the nominal T method and nominal pi method. So the same thing, single phase equivalent circuit of the medium line with T method is drawn here. In T method, it is observed that the capacitance effect is lumped at the center of transmission line, and the impedance of the transmission line is placed 50% towards the sending end and 50% towards the receiving end or load side. You observe there VR is the receiving end voltage per phase, IR is the receiving end current, R is the resistance of transmission line for phase. XL, inductive reactance of the line for phase. V1, voltage across the capacitance. C is the capacitance value. Current is missing. IC is the current flowing through capacitance. Similarly, Vs is the sending end voltage for phase. Is is the sending end current. So we have to develop the expressions Vs and Is. That is the main aim. That is the main aim. Compare with our general standard equation. So you have to see some basic expressions. Sending end voltage Vs equal to V1 plus Is into Z by 2, equation 1. And voltage across the capacitance V1 equal to vector sum of Vr plus Ir into Z by 2, equation 2. And sending end current is the vector sum of capacitance current plus receiving end current, and capacitance current IC equal to V1 into Y. Y is the shunt admittance. You develop these four expressions. Start considering of Is. Is equal to IC plus IR. Is equal to IC plus IR, vector quantities. So IC equal to V1 into Y. V1 into Y plus IR. Then V1 should replace by equation 2. V1 should replace by Vr plus Ir into Z by 2. Then multiply the term, make the separate Vr term one side, Ir terms one side. Getting the idea? You multiply the respective values as per your own. After final step, you separate Vr term one side and Ir term one side. We are getting final expression Is equal to Vr into Y plus Ir into Yz by 2 plus 1. Then one parameter is old, Is. In a similar fashion, we have to construct the expression for sending end voltage. We know that Vs equal to vector sum of V1 plus Is into Z by 2. Already we are knowing V1. You substitute V1. V1 is voltage across capacitance. How you are going to calculate? That is Vr plus Ir into Z by 2. Then Is, you write down the Is value, whole equation. It is multiplied by Z by 2. Then again the same steps are, you multiply all inside values of the bracket with outside. Then you club the terms. You club the terms related to Vr one side. So one Vr term is there, another Vr term into Yz by 2. Therefore it becomes Vr common 1 plus Yz by 2. In similar fashion, Ir you take the constant Z by 2, Z square into Y by 4 plus Z by 2. Ir is common. You make the final. We are going to get as 1 plus Yz by 2 into common into Vr plus into bracket Z plus Yz square by 4 into Ir. Is Y into Vr plus into bracket 1 plus Yz by 2 into Ir. So these are the expressions obtained from nominal T method. Standard equations with ABCD parameters have written below. So that is Vs equal to A times Vr plus B times Ir. Similarly, sending end current equal to C times Vr plus D times Ir. Sir, you compare here. You compare Vs expression, first term Vr. So Vr is multiplied by 1 plus Yz by 2. Therefore Ar equal to 1 plus Yz by 2. Similarly, B term Ir is multiplied by Z plus Yz square by 4. Then B equal to that value. z plus yz square by 4. Then similarly take the current expression Is equal to C times VR plus dir. C equal to V, compare. C equal to Y, then D equal to 1 plus yz by 2. Hence, in this manner we have to develop general expressions of ABCD parameters of medium transmission line. And you also prove that AD minus BC equal to 1. Up to here you can go, you may get 8 marks. So you write here A value, D value both are same, that should be equal to 1 plus yz by 2, B equal to z plus yz square by 4, C equal to y. This is in case of medium transmission by lines with nominal T method. And A and D are equal, hence the network is symmetrical. So after calculating these values, your question extends. Also show that AD minus BC equal to 1. Then you substitute these values. You multiply A into D minus B into C. Take these values. Then finally you are getting 1. Hence the given network is reciprocal. Sir, all of you work out, practice once thoroughly. Tomorrow we can go for problems and nominal phi method. These two are very important for the examination point of view. Derive the expression for ABCD constants for nominal T method and also show that AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, work out. Thank you to one and all.